By the time you see this, it will probably be too late to take action, but I want to show you what irregular price movement looks like so you can learn how to take crypto profits. This is the yearly chart for the Crypto.com token, CRO, C-R-O. This is where we are right now. The last time we were here was not quite a year ago, but about a year ago, and we were not this high. It's been a long time since you've seen prices like this. And I want to show you something else. This is the 7-day chart for this asset. So you can see even just a couple of days ago, we were at about 15 cents. And then pretty quickly, we shot up to 20 and then almost touched 30. This is in the span of less than 24 hours that all this price action happened. Some people who are foolish will tell you, now hang on, Evan, this is Crow's all-time chart. It was almost $1 a few years ago. I'm waiting until it gets above that point before I sell. But what goes up must come down. It's a saying for a reason. And nowhere else is this more true than the fast-moving, always-on markets of cryptocurrency. If there's a sharp wick up, we call it a wick when the chart moves like that on a time frame, then usually it's followed by, we call it a correction in the opposite direction, because this is an anomaly. There was some news that came out, and now somebody's going to put Crow into a treasury. But this is a quick thing. This is not changing the fundamentals of the token. This is people reacting to this news. And so you are not confirming your bias to hold this token for 6 more months or a year. This is the moment, because it's moved 30% in like a day, when you take some money off the table. If you bought $100 when it was 15 cents, when it's $30, you might consider selling half your position, because then you can take that whole $100 out and still have $100 of value left in that token if it goes up. And if it goes down back to 15 cents and you still believe in Crow, then you can buy right back in and double your position. This is how people make money in crypto. And you can use this strategy to make money whether the market is up or down. You don't have to be a day trader, and you don't have to be holding this asset for a long, long time. I bet by the time you watch this video, if you go to CoinGecko or pull up a chart for Crypto.com's tokens somewhere else, it'll be back to the 20-cent range or even lower. But this happens in crypto all the time. And you can be ready for it when it happens next time. In all my time in the crypto space, I've seen way more people lose money because they waited to sell, or because when they felt like they ought to sell, they just couldn't bring themselves to do it. Don't let that be you. And if you have questions, then leave them in the comments.